I'm here to talk about biogeochemical cycles. Let's start!
Audio Jungle.
Biogeochemical cycle, any of the natural pathways by which essential elements of living matter are circulated. The term biogeochemical is a contraction that refers to the consideration of bio, meaning
Audio Jungle.
biology is a natural science that involves the study of life and living organisms. Geo means geology. It's the study of the earth, the materials of which it is made, the structure of those materials, and the processes acting upon them, and chemical aspects of each cycles.
First process is evaporation, which the water from the water forms heat into the atmosphere. Second process is when the evaporated water became clouds when they reach the atmosphere, and that's called condensation. So when the clouds are heavy, it precipitates snow, rain, and even hail, which is called precipitation. Recap: water cycles process is when the heat from the sun evaporates water from other water forms, and when the evaporated water reach onto the atmosphere, it will become clouds, and when the clouds are already heavy, it precipitates rain, snow, or hail onto the land, and water forms. The circulation of the carbon cycle from atmosphere to biosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and returns back to the atmosphere is known as carbon cycle. From atmosphere, carbon dioxide enters into plants through photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide enters to terrestrial organisms when they eat the plants. When these organisms die, they decay, and the carbon dioxide enters the soil. Carbon dioxide enters to the water as carbonates, which are very helpful to the aquatic plants. How carbon dioxide returns back to its atmosphere? From the fossil fuels, respiration of animals, from burn-in of woods, deforestation, release of chlorofluorocarbons, or in short, CFC, from air conditioners and refrigerators leads to depletion of ozone layer and global warming. The carbon dioxide cycle is the biogeochemical cycle, by which carbon is exchanged among the biosphere, pedosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere of the Earth. We should try to maintain the carbon cycle, which is 0.03%.
Hi, I'm Yuffie. Who are you? Hello Yuffie, I'm Nitrogen, and let me tell you about my cycle. Wow, I'm a traveler. I want to learn new things. Well, it starts with me. I can't be get directly from the air. That's why there's things that can be used to get me. Like nitrogen-fixing bacteria, which lives in plants, specifically in their roots. Ammonia, which is made by decomposers. Lightning also can be used to get me. Then me. Nitrogen goes to the plant, and the plant can be eaten by animals and humans, and that's how we get nitrogen. In the end, the nitrogen will be back to the atmosphere by the bacteria that decompose poop, pee, and when you die. Again, I'm nitrogen, and that's how my cycle works. Oxygen cycle. It starts with a plant getting carbon dioxide from the air, uses it to perform photosynthesis to produce oxygen. With the other organisms used, such as humans, we breathe oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The tree uses sunlight and carbon dioxide to produce energy and release oxygen. The animals breathe in oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide.